Welcome back to another Porsche Fanatic video. This is the short version of this video. There is a full-length version up next on the Porsche Fanatic channel that includes a lot more of the POV and Insta360 views developed during this session. What a sweet machine. I really enjoyed driving this 2002 986. Thank you, Mr. C, for trusting me with your baby, although he was in my black 987S, so I guess the faith was mutual. And for a base model, the 2.7 litre from 2002, it was surprisingly fast, with only about a 150 pound difference between it and my 2008 987S. She shuttles right along. Color me impressed. This 986 base model has 120,000 kilometers, or about 75,000 miles, and is currently with its third owner. It was sold through the one and only Porsche dealership here in Guatemala, and it's not an import car. A lot of them are here. The only major issue this little beauty ever had was a refrigerant leak 2 years back. After changing the thermostat and the cooling tank, the problem was solved. So she's a hassle-free 986. The driving experience in the 986 is smooth and quiet, but when she gets wound up past 4,000 revs, she really comes to life. What impressed me the most was the ride quality. This 986 is super smooth and she handles herself well, even at speeds that are mildly excessive, if you know what I mean. In traffic and on B roads, this original Boxster is easy to move around, light on the steering, and a true pleasure to operate. Being used to my race headers and valved exhaust on the 987, I did miss the screaming. But afterwards, the owner of the 986 said to me that he is now considering upgrading his sound after driving mine. I also missed the aftermarket 718 steering wheel that's in mine for tapping the gears up and down. But overall, a wonderful experience. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe here on the Porsche Fanatic channel.